I started my manufacturing unit in 1986 as a job shop, and it was a conventional machine shop, and gradually we migrated to CNC shop. When I bought first machine, we have given Haas a turnkey job. This is the component and I want you to prove the component. And at that stage, the cycle time reduction was more than 60-70%. So the technical backup from Haas team also is very good in setting the parameters, in setting the tooling and all other parameters. In last 5-6 years now, I have 5 machines from Haas, all VF2. I also have a turn mill center from Haas, giving excellent results, and we are able to achieve very good accuracies for making my drilling machine spindles and parts on turn mill center. Now I have machines with 12,000 RPM that gives a lot of improvement in productivity, the tool life, and many other things. So that helps a lot. So the productivity, I will generally say, I could achieve more than 30-40% improvement in productivity.
Basically, we are a company wherein we have 2 major verticals, wherein one is dedicated to component manufacturing for switchgear industry, and the other one is wherein I have our own manufactured products. So right now we are in the development department of a company. So as you can see that we manufacture this kind of clamping columns with vices for HMCs and BMCs. It is very important for us that we have a strong backup from technical front as well as from the development front, wherein we find the advantage of working with Haas to the fullest, because they have a local support system for us. They can supply us with the necessary information regarding the machine to use, so that we can use the most of features whenever required. They have multiple plugins which we can plug and play with their own machines, like spindle cooling, advanced tool management system. So we can use them for high-speed milling also and for very specific jobs. So it is a one-stop solution when we say. So we don't have to look for some other machine for normal production. We don't have to look for some other machine for development kind of work. So one machine can give you all this flexibility of working with either your production components or development components.
The Haas controller is very user friendly. It can be easily interfaced to any external accessories as per our requirement. Now the feature point of view, Haas is equipped with all advanced features like tool life monitoring, easy tool offsets, and many more.
I was lucky to visit Haas factory in USA, and that built my confidence to going for Haas machines with a fully loaded features. So we have probing, we have 4th axis, we have coolant through spindle and so on, and I'm very proud to say, happy to say that we are able to achieve desired accuracies. Next year we also will buy few more machines, and definitely it will be Haas machines. I am very happy with their services and also the machines, which is more important.